Hi, Grable. Oh, here we go. Grable kept hitting his head on the furniture, so this morning Daddy and I moved the ottoman out of the way and put down a sheet, and now it's all rollable. He did this 8 times in a row very quickly, and the minute I whip out the camera, he has decided he's going to take his time. That's okay. Are you done, Grable? Are you done? Okay, we'll see. Bye-bye. Bye.